Okie dokie dokie, bro. Welcome. Okay, so today's video, very epic, very interesting for me at least. So I'm labeled, if you could see the title of the video, JavaScript developer, and I wondered today, man, and I was like watching Luke Smith, and then I went to the suckless.org website and I saw some like web server that's like serving static content. It's like only 2000 lines long and stuff like this. Super minimalist, I love it. And I thought, man, what the fuck even is a server, bro? I write like Express servers in Node.js, and I create an app, I take a request, I return a response. It's like pretty fucking simple. I listen on 3000 port. What the fuck is 3000 port, man? Are you kidding me? And like where is this door that I can enter to see this 3000, What is 3000? Is it just my imagination? Like, where do I register, bro? Who takes care of this? How, man? What is the underlying thing? And I guess it's like TCP, So let's just try and create one server that just gonna do a simple thing, man. It's gonna serve I don't know, man. Let it serve like string hello world, and it's gonna serve it on HTTP. But what is even HTTP? Nobody knows. They see it like on the URL. They wonder, what the fuck is this? What is HTTP? What is HTTPS? Yes, I know it's like a hypertext transfer protocol. I know it's used to transfer HTML and stuff, but how it works, man? Get, post, update, patch, 200, 404. Come on, man. Let's get serious. Let's try to figure it out. The best way to do it is to write it like how holy gods wanted us to write, straight in C. We POSIX compliant, we everything, So I already have a program here, and it's like just hello world. I haven't written C in so long, I forgot even how to do this, but trust me, it now works, and I can just do main C. I have this out, and the drill. You probably did this like a million times, but if you didn't, shame on you. So yeah, but what the fuck? How am I gonna listen? The secret keyword is TCP. I remember in university they told us like all the layers, the physical layer, application layer, this is the cable, this is the link, this is the IP, the Ethernet, Forgot everything about that, but I remember TCP, there was something about like MAC, or I acknowledge, bro. You ask me something, I acknowledge. Yes, we shaking hands, something like this. So I guess this is the good way to start, and this is it's miscellaneous information manual for TCP, and it's like the 7th page or something, I don't know. And it's just TCP. Nobody knows what does it mean, But we can easily see, and I need to figure out how to, and can I do it like horizontal? No. Can I do it? No, man, I'm gonna go crazy. And I wanna go horizontal. Yes, thank you, bro. Because I cannot read, I see myself in the webcam. This is a implementation, la. Can you give me some fucking like example, I see you fucking included something, but why do I care about that? Nobody cares about that. Address formats, proc interfaces. So system-wide TCP settings can be accessed by file directory. This one. Process, I guess. What is the... Where was I suck at OSs, man, and I see that like it's a process, system one, net IPv4 process. I have no idea why. This is like some TCP ABC, appropriate byte count ABC defense. It's a way of increasing the congression window more slowly. Man, who thought of this shit, bro? Thank you. You're my hero. So there's auto corking, bro. But app win. What? Defines how many bytes of the... Okay, this is a TCP window. Maybe we need to go online, bro, to see how the fuck does it look like, man. So TCP, DSEC. I guess we're just gonna have to open some TCP socket and orphans. There's so many options, you know. TCP memory, TCP retries, max. Bro, where am I, man? Is there an end to this? Max, la 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 la. Okay, bro, no examples for me? Okay, something. The notes. Okay, what the fuck is going on, man? Can I like, I'm gonna be a noob, I don't know how to do this, like, oh I can, oh man, look at this, so beautiful. Bro, we don't need this much space. This is enough, I guess, yep. And, oh my god, okay, so, if a cookie, we are talking about cookies already, man, crazy. This option remembers Android to perform fast open. La 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 la. No, right? Okay, so here's a typical call. I don't know if this is what we need, but it seems like. So I take a socket and I set some socket options, and then I connect to the socket and I write to the socket. And it should always go after connect, read socket, and close socket. Oh man. So I can send, okay, send message. So, man, what the fuck? Oh shit. But let me see. Why? Oh man. Input output control. Man, this is like crazy shit, you know. Man. And it's so deep, it goes so super deep, you know. I mean, I cannot blame TypeScript developers. I'm a TypeScript developer, you know. You cannot blame us because I need to make money, man. I cannot spend time whole day looking at the menu. I cannot be smart. I have no time to be smart, man. I need that bread. But this is why AI is gonna replace me, man. Kinda deserve it. But okay, let's go ahead and see. Okay, so we are at the end of the page and we have still no idea. But let's see. Let's go to the top. I think G will go to the top. And why don't we just try to? We don't try to like copy this, man. So with this include net inet, like internet, and then in and what TCP. I don't know what is in this. This is my opinion, problem with C, man. Like, why don't you tell, can I go to definition? No, man. No, I cannot. How do I do this? Do I need to go to include in the user local shit? Okay, let's first just what is this? TCP. I'm just gonna go socket. Nah, man, I cannot do it. TCP socket is socket if init sock stream and give me 0. So I have some socket, but who knows what the fuck even is this? Honestly, I'm just gonna try to, and that's hello world. We still are compiling fine, I guess. It's no problem. Always a good thing, you know. But yeah, man, it's okay. But I think that TCP socket worked at least. Let me see what the fuck is this sock stream. I'm dumb as fuck. So sock stream. Is there no sock stream definition? Okay, man, fuck you, bro. Can I go to the definition, please, bro? What? Please, guys, let me try to exit Vim because I see that I cannot even man from Vim. Okay, I guess I'll just try to sock it. So, oh man, so it's not even the same one. How can I, like, socket creates an endpoint for communication and yada yada, netlink, packet, so maybe sock stream will appear here, you know. Okay, it's the best one, it's the first one. Sequence, reliable, two-way, connection-based byte streams, and out-of-band data transmission mechanism may be supported. So this is good, honestly. But what do you do? I mean, in C you should be able to read and write to file descriptors or something. And is there an example, please? Okay, get. So look at these motherfuckers, they didn't even wanna write an example. Get other info. This is what we need. And 3. Fucked up. So it's probably like okay, get address info. Free address info. So type socket, we need socket, and we need net database, what the hell? So address info, restrict, node, there's some service, there's some hints, add info, and I guess result is stored in this res, char, guy, string error. Bro, what the fuck is guy, man? Okay. He even knows is an internet host and a service. Can I? What is a socket? Oh. So there is, okay, other info is a socket and okay, you have family, artificial intelligence. No, it's not artificial intelligence. Moral. It's probably something else. I'm not sure what. Please, example. I cannot use of get and get name info. So our Neko server and client, man, this is what we need. Really? So they're fucking including shit. Their main even has arguments and shit. Mine doesn't. So, oh my god, I hate how they wrote it. Can I want, oh my god, I want to just do this. Yeah, thank you. So let's see, it's int main, there's cfds, there's some buffer, and number of reads, I guess, peer, hints, result, and peer address. And then they say that, okay, motherfucker, it's usage port. So you need, okay, so what they want here to say is like, man, we need a port. So they're setting hints, which are like address info, and they're just setting it to 0. This is important because, you know, they can, bad people can read your memory, man. If you didn't clear it up, they can read it. You might be wondering, what bad people? I'm the only one using my computer. It's a good question. Who's gonna take my computer, bro? Nobody. I'm gonna beat them up. But anyway, so argc, yo, hints. So why did they call it hints, man? And they're setting AF to allow anything. Sock type is sock dgram, so datagram socket, okay. AI passive, protocol any, canon name no, address no, next no. Okay, so get address info. So you want to take the port, take the hints and put it in result. But hints and result, whoa. So it's gonna fill up this, no? Right? I'm not sure. So if S needs to be 0 in order to be successful, okay. Yeah. So exit failure. There's a list of address structures. Try each address in the successfully bind. If socket on bind fails, close the socket and try the next address. Let's see. So RP, what the fuck is, okay, for RP, but where did we set RP? Oh, it's right there. We set it. I'm right. No, it's still addressing. So, man. So, no. What the? Why would they be like result per? I don't know. So until it's null, we take the next one. Also, get our info like returns this linked list, I guess. Next, socket air family. Socket FD. Bind. Okay, we have a bind. So we break because we are successful. And we don't even need the result anymore. But we check here if we've successfully binded. And exit failure. Okay, so read datagrams. Oh man, this is it, man. This was the server. I want TCP, I don't want this. I want TCP. I want TCP, man. I don't give a fuck about data, about UDP, brother. Man, this is fine, tough, man. This is tough. So, client program include netdb standard blah 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 blah. We just man, but why, bro? Can't I? Wait a minute. We don't need all this get address info and stuff. We're just gonna try to bind it. So bind, we need bind, bro. So for that too, so we bind to some address. I don't know what is this address length, but this is the key, I think. Okay, this is the key. We don't need the client because we just want to open in browser localhost or something. Okay, so we have the FNet, but where do they get the binds? Oh my god. So I want to see the, oh my god, I cannot see anything, bro. I'm gonna move myself here. So what am I doing, bro? I'm recording. Stop recording, please. So man, ooh. What? Why is it like this? Bruh. Can I take another terminal, please? Okay. So bind. We need to bind the name to the socket. So system socket needs to be included. System socket. Okay, so I think I understand now. So we need system socket, but where the fuck did we create this? And now manual works again. And it's the same one that has a bind. So man, I'm gonna exit out of this one, exit out of that one, because I like it like this. It's so good. Man, I wanted to. Yes, this is what I wanted, basically. And is there a bind out here? Yes. Yes, I can see bind. So man, we have a socket. Okay, I know. Bind. It's a standard C library, and we can Yes. Int is bind TCP socket. And then this is struct socket address. I have no idea. And then lang, so some sock address, and then lang. Okay, so this is what we need. Can you address? So this is it. This is like. Can I just what? Family and some data with 14 characters. Okay, let's see examples. Oh my god. They are glazing this get address info, but okay. Do you guys see this? So it's some fucking C code. I think we're gonna have to go here, man. It's I guess the why did they decide to show everything in this get address info? Is it so important? Let me get my server, damn it. And I don't give a fuck about hints. Address info. Okay, so I want to see bind now. So bind. Oh man, suffad. But it's a okay. Socket is a suffad. But yeah, address. What is the address? It's a no. Man, it's no. Oof, boys, let me see if I'm even recording, bro. I hope I am. Yeah, I'm recording fine. So, boys, can I get some sock address? Okay, it's in this socket. And it has family and address. And what the hell? Okay, so so I have internet domain socket. So sock address internet net, and we have it. We already, you can see it here. We have it. Everything seems to start mixing. So the sock address in. This is probably what we need. I'm just port type, I guess it's just a number. So let's try and say like this. Address sock. So struct. No, I don't want to create a struct. Sock address in sock address. So this is how you do it. It's probably like this. So family type. Oh my god, like, can I just say it's this family and it's listening on port 3000 and it's localhost? Can we do this? Can we do this shit, man? Is it this easy, you know? I don't think it's this easy. Let's try to GCC. So we try to GCC and we have this error. It says, simply put, initialization of unsigned int from char. Okay, so this localhost that you wrote is making a problem. I thought this was they wanted me to do this. It says char. So S address they don't like. Undeclared. Okay. So first thing, okay. So let's wrap here because we cannot see anything. Should I just say static? No. How the hell do I say it? How, man? Len. Oh, bro, this is Python, bro. Let's just size sock address. What do you say, man? Let's try now. So how the hell do I even... Okay, so this localhost is going crazy and automatically it's incompatible. Why? Because, oh my god, I turned it off. Maybe there is some like example, I know. Should be some examples here, bro. I see structs. I don't know how to actually sock address in. Okay, so it's another struct actually. Port type is probably good, but it's another struct in address, and it's in address is in address type, which is just which is just integer 32. How is it just an integer? Oh, is it like so if it's 127001? Oh man, how the hell do I turn a string into an integer like that, bro? So this should be like, 27001, and then there's probably some function that can turn it into an actual address. It makes sense, like 4 bytes is 32 bits. I understand, but how? Can we give some examples? No examples. No examples here. Oh, bro. So, examples on this? No, we were here already. Bro, do you believe me? I have no idea how to create. Can we just try to calculate it? 1 to 7 is probably like. What is 1 to 7? Really? Can we just try to, like, is it like 255 is all ones, and I guess 0 1 1 1, like 7 ones should be 1 to 7, right? How do you do this? Like so like be like 1, so 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then we have 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, second byte, then again 0, and then 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. Let's see what the fuck GCC says this time. Oh, bruh. So it accepted my address. I don't need to turn the string into a number, bro. I can do it in my head. Okay, man, what's next? So incompatible type of argument to bind. We have sock address, but he wants sock address. He wants sock address in but. Oh, so it expected const struct sock address in pointer, but argument is of type struct sock address in. So, oh my god, I turned off my camera. Please, camera. Okay, man, camera is on. Okay, so so we press him on to continue, and sorry about that, broski. So this makes me think sock address, just like do this, man. This is to take an address, right? Let's try. So, but I have a sock address in pointer, but it wants a const pointer. Can I just say const? No, this doesn't exist, right? So it wanted an expression before const. What the fuck does that mean? Okay, I'm just gonna try to actually, can I just const struct sock in pointer, right? Or whatever. Or whatever, bro. Why? Passing? Boys, what the fuck is this? Honestly. So passing argument 2 of bind from incompatible pointer type. Expected. Struct. Oh brother, okay, so can I just do this? Can I just do that? Please. Boom. Boom. So I didn't want a sock address for internet, it wanted just a sock address. But I'm afraid this is not like smart to do. Honestly. My code is ugly already. But yeah, man, we don't have to worry about that too much. I'm gonna make myself even smaller, bro. Why do I need to be so big? So we wanna go against C bind. And you bind the name to the socket. A name, or I guess when they say name they mean address. So we're gonna try and bind this address to some socket, which I still am not sure what is it, but anyway, so yeah, no problem. Examples. Sock address. So we create a socket, but similarly it's sock stream 0, and let's what is my address? String copy my sock path. They copy some string to some path. Oh, okay. We have already this, and then we bind. Okay, so they did the same thing as us. And yeah, but they're trying to be cool and don't have result stored. I'm gonna say bind results, and then if bind results is, I almost did 3. I almost did this. Not good, bro. Been doing JavaScript too much, and for some reason nothing's. Oh, my fucking recording. When I start recording some macros, the auto completion stops working, and by auto completion I mean this, and I need to close manually. It sucks, really. I have a hard life. Pay me some money, trust me, please. Yes. we're just gonna print f like error, bro, with bind and return 1 because it's not good. GCC main, it works beautifully, and then we have an error. We actually didn't succeed, bro. Yeah, but I wonder what it is. How the hell do I find out? How the hell do I find out? They probably tell me this somewhere. Yeah, let's see. Let's try to handle actually. Handle error, what do they do? P error. I guess I'm guessing what is P error, bro. Explain error codes. Do I need to? Man, that sucks because now we need to go again here and examples. I don't know. I guess it's gonna just tell me, but. Let's take standard lib. I think it should be there. I want to explain the errors to the user, okay? And uninstalled, I don't know what is that, but maybe we can check it out somehow. No. Error and I'm gonna try to, okay, so how do you use this handle error socket? Oh, so P error, if I just do the socket, oh, so okay, let's do that. So if, what the hell? So it would be like if TCP socket is -1, then we're gonna go socket, because I guess this is the function that that did it, you know. And exit failure. Then this bind the examples we can see. Okay, we try to bind if it is this one, then let's go P error bind. Oh, I'm done. Bind and exit with failure. So yeah, but if everything is good, we go and say hello world. It's so simple, bro. I'm tired, guys, honestly. Yes. Bind. Try. Let's move my camera. Try to like GCC. No, right? Easy. So out and it actually gave us an error, brother. So cannot access requested address. So our address sucked ass. So how the hell? I just want localhost. I'm just gonna cave in and I use ChatGPT because honestly, bro, who the hell? Let's just try to how the hell? Sock in localhost, you know? We have manual, Stack Overflow. So yeah. Socket API is very old. Let me fucking show you guys what the hell. The API is a simple OP technique, just casting point from right class to base. Bro, I don't care about that. Let me see. We're not doing a resolve. What is a resolve? Oh, I guess this guy is doing similar thing as us. But look at this, guys. It's actually the first one is 1 and the last one is 187. 127. Isn't that crazy? Let me put my face here. So the last one is, oh man, the little Andy and the big Andy and shit. Forgot about that. You just try this, or am I just wrong? Yeah, I mean it's a whoa, so I guess resolve. Let me run away and say that. Let's see the resolve. Maybe this is what we need. So resolve. No manual entry for this. Bind. Bind. Now, I'm just gonna become even smaller in order to fit. But really, bind. Let me see if I'm recording still. I am. Ah man, bind. What the fuck, bro? Between address families. Consult the menu entry section for detailed information. So, okay. Let's try with IP. They're telling us to see IP. I'm gonna trust them. And okay, net, enet, IP. I think we already have, no, but we have syssocket and shit. Oh, so I guess it's just superset of in sock string 0. So our TCP socket is good. It's inet and description, yada yada yada, address format. So this is what we need. So an IP socket address is defined as a combination of an IP interface address in a 16-bit port number. Okay. And then port in a network byte order. So this isn't even good. And the internet address. And the internet address is still integer in network byte order. It's always set to if inet is required. In Linux 2.2, most, I guess, is some legacy. Return einval when this setting is missing. Symport contains the port in network byte order. The port numbers below, 1024 are called privileged. Okay, so yeah, that's we know that. Yeah, may bind to these sockets. Know that the raw IPv protocol as such has no concept of a port. So yeah, IP doesn't know ports, but in TCP it exists. This is what we need. Should be assigned one of the in other values. Oh yeah. Get host by name. So these are the functions that we need, man. So H using, okay, so where are we? We are at the IP. This is good. Is there an example? No. Let's see this one. We need to convert values between host to network L. Long. So ARPA init. Let's include this one. ARPA init.h. So we can do what? Please host to network. I guess short is okay. To okay, to network. This is short and like h to network long. I cannot see anything, sorry. Will this work, man? Will this actually work? Can I please just say that I have no way to format C files right now, but maybe I should have done that actually. I wanna see if this will make it work. GCC main. Okay, so we are retarded. Main, it works perfectly. Address already in use. Let's do this so it's easier, I guess, to have it all in this one place. Oh, I guess it will just print. Okay, I guess it just prints. I'm kind of retarded, but yeah. So bind should work. Okay, so we're back to IP, and yeah, this was important. Okay, so address is already in use, but can we maybe say, bro, please give me something else, like 2? Oh! It worked out, man. It worked out. I'm just gonna say that this is like, so we know what the fuck is it. I'm happy, but let's see if you know what's kind of fucked up right now. If I go here and can I like, what's on my 301? Nothing? I'm stupid. Nothing. Okay, I don't think, maybe that's not how you do it. Anyways, we are binded. We are binding like crazy, bro. So I don't know why 3000 ain't working, but fuck it. Fuck it, bro. So we can go back to bind, I guess, to see. So now I guess this socket in the example, if we bind it, bind, we can learn, listen. So let's listen then. Listen back. 50. We do the listening right now. Okay, let's listen. TCP socket 50. The same as that. Let's printf this bitch. Error with listen. Listen and exit failure. Let's see. Let's see, bro. Oh, where's my face, man? Okay, let me go back. So we listen. We compiled. Oh, okay. So we can probably try hello world. No error with listen. Now we can accept incoming connections one at a time using accept. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, bro. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so it's also I guess like a client. So we'll accept hang until 1. Like, let's try. What is CFD for them, bro? CFD? No, it's SFD and like a server and like a client. So let's see. Can I just rename? I don't have any language server, but how the hell do I even do this? Okay, let's just do this like replace with TCP server sockets and let's say int TCP client. Don't need to initialize it or anything, but so TCP client should be, we listen in the server and we should, okay, so oh man, client, we don't need it here, but we can say int TCP client is accept TCP server socket and what should we do with it? So accept. What's a peer address of you, man? Peer. Oh, so my SOC address. Okay, let's say it's server SOC address. Let it be SOC address, and client SOC address. Okay, so we need to accept with what? So peer client address size is size of I don't even remember. Actually, SOC address. Size of this, and then we need to say to cast it to SOC address and say, no man, it's my client SOC address, and for some reason, I'm not sure why, I need to say, trust me, I'm typing what I need, but you cannot see. Okay. So we open, close. What is this? So we should have accepted this. But now if TCP client is like -1, what do we do? We can say printf error with accept error accept exit with exit failure. Let's try. Let's try GCC, no problem. It hangs. So if I right now go to localhost 3001, it's gonna say unable to connect, and it won't do anything to it, right? Oof. Guys, I'm tired, and I must say this, that maybe this is more difficult than I thought, but it was very nice doing this shit. It's a good test. Maybe some other time we're gonna finish it, but right now I'm dead. Really, it's like almost 10 o'clock. Peace out, boys. Yo, boys, I'm just back to say I was retarded. I got so tired toward the last end of that, and this is like I just rewatched to see what I did, and bro, it actually is working, because it used to hang, if you remember. I can like make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Boom, it hangs. I was an idiot, bro. I went to localhost 3001 and I was wondering what the fuck. But look at it, boom. Okay, it's unable to connect. But if we go back, it says hello world, bro. This means that that we successfully was able to we were successfully able to accept this fucking connection, man. So we accept, and it prints hello world. So can I just say right or f print f to TCP client and say just hello? Bruh, if this works, I'm gonna cry, man. Really. Let's say GCC main. Whoa. What? What? I'm passing an argument 1 from integer we want to cast, but it wants a file. Okay, then I'll just say it's a file. And what? Can you please? I'm closing down too fast. Cast to pointer from integer of different size. This is probably not how you do it. Can we try something like right here, hello world? Please. Declaration function right. Maybe I meant that actually. Function right or file right, or I don't know. Is it gonna? It's probably gonna make me cast a file again. Okay, so it's again this stupid rule. Okay, so they say I'm just doing stuff I shouldn't be doing. I'm sending them a pointer. It should be whatever, something crazy. And again, I guess size is the thing that's needed here. But why, man? Man, let's see. I want to see if manual community did something here. So I accept, and there is like this accept for, which is like crazy. Example, see bind to. Give me bind to, man. Yeah. I bind. Example, please. We're back where we started, but do you have? Okay, listen. We accept. Then we close. Then we unlink. Okay, I guess it's a good manner to close. So we're gonna close this client. Okay. It can fail, so let's. Oh, if it's -1, then we're just gonna see print f close error or error with close and p error. Oh, I'm returning close, bro. Please. And exit failure, man. You need to do it proper, you know. So yeah, okay, we closed, and then we unlink. I don't think we need to do this because it's different, but Maybe I should close. Maybe I should do a similar thing with my server. How? Server socket, right? I'm too tired to write, man. Why can I? Bro. Never mind. I am retarded very much, thank you. Let's see if I can even close all this. So this is main. Error, implicit close. Did you mean p close? No. What do they have that I don't? Set to D or set to the lib. Socket I have. System, is it like, wait, string? I don't think it's string, it's socket I have, arpa in it. Is it on? Sys on. No, man. Let's see. I need uninst. Unin uni standard. Brother. What the hell, man? Okay, we're waiting. We have hello world. We shut the fuck up. Okay. I love it. Let me see the bind, I guess, because it has this nice example. We can do this, man. I'm sure. I have like 15 more minutes. I just want to write to this socket now. I close, I unlink. But maybe get sock name, connect, listen, IP. Let's go with accept. Okay. It wants me to bind, but how about listen? Damn, everybody wants me to see bind, bro. Oh man, so bind. Examples below. Okay, but what write? How do I write? This is what I wanna know. This is really what I wanna know, because I'm gonna go crazy if I don't find out, man. So it's bind. I guess I'll go back to socket. Can I write to the socket? Okay. Socket layer functions. Let me move myself, please. I want to be down here. Send it over a socket. Man, can we do it? Poll and select. Okay, let me go and check for send message. It's in the sys socket. Here it. And it's just send to who? Buffer. It can be anything. And length of it, and then the flags. Send message, header message. But send to differs. Okay. I don't know, I don't want to use that. Only Okay. File descriptor. Okay, we're getting so close, bro. I mean, I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna bust, bro. Send to na example. Okay, we're back to get address info. Send to bro. So here address receive from. Man, I need to receive from. Get name info. La, 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 la. Oh. So server sends to peer, right? Okay. What is buff? Buff. Oh, it only echoes into the buffer, right? But what is it actually? It's just buffer of characters. So can I just say a message is like man. So hello. Okay, so it has to be like this. Hello or hello world message. I'm just gonna say this message. Boom. Hello world. This is what we want to send. Send to. Okay. Let's try. Okay, so send to, and if it's -1, we'll just printf error with send to. Boom. And we're gonna print the send to error, and we're just gonna do this. Okay. Seems too easy, but what we're gonna do with this? So I want to send to. This is crazy to me actually, because okay, let's just copy this on the web. God. I need to just keep it somewhere, you know, because I don't want to lose it. It's pretty damn useful. So it's this and that, but yeah, I want to see sock fd. So is the first one sock that I'm sending from? Let's see, send to song fd. Destination address we need. Let me see. Socket isn't connected. I think we can just do send because we did connect. We did connect. So TCP server socket. No, we send TCP client message or whatever. Actually, I think I can just do this, and then size of message, and then no flags. I don't wanna say any flags. No. Oh, please, man, don't scream at me. It screamed at me, man. Do I even... Can I just go without? No. Or just... Oh, oops. Just this. Okay, man. We have something. Let's see, man, if this works out. I don't know if you guys can see this shit, man. I don't know if you guys can see this shit, dude. We made a fucking server, dog. It told me AI is gonna fucking replace me. I only needed hour and a half in order to achieve this. In order to achieve greatness. But now, the rest is fucking easy, bro. You wanna... The HTTP doesn't exist. I don't give a fuck, it's HTTP. This is only TCP, and it works over HTTP. Because I guess HTTP is just fake. It's only application layer. It's crazy, but what if I do this? Look at this shit, man. So what if I go like, can I just do some crazy web? I'm developing web in C, bro, if you didn't notice. So I guess just I wanted title. Title is gonna be type script sucks, and body. Oh my god, where is my intelligence? Where is my completion? Nowhere. Nobody needs that shit. Let me fucking be small again. So body, and I wanna say just H1 and have it like bolded out. Hello, bro. Do you need to like do the end of the line stuff? I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna do it anyway, bro. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need anybody, bro. We are like independent, strong woman right now. We don't need nothing. Let's see. Let's see if I can GCC again. Boom, no problem. No problem, bro. Pay out, it's waiting. Wow. It was not so easy. Because the connection was reset. But the page was loading. For some crazy reason. Why? Why was it reset? I'm taking this victory. It was reset. should I wait for like sleep? Can I do it? Whoa, if I sleep, nothing happens. Look at, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Am I sleeping for 1,000 seconds, bro? I thought it was milliseconds. What? That's kind of crazy to me. That's kind of crazy. Oh, maybe, brother, if we send just pure text, it's okay, but how? Okay. Wait a minute. So this was okay, but HTML is not okay. What? I don't understand this, man. I'm kind of oh my god, I didn't move this sleep. Maybe, oh man, maybe we are closing before we should or something. Maybe it's not sent and we are closing before? Let's try again. No, it was reset right now. Is the neural line doing something crazy? No way. But it was working before, brother. You saw it. No. Bruh, it was working. Here it was working, guys. Here it was working. Everybody's seen. I'm gonna try to move to some like 3 or 5 or 80, bro. Let's do that. Main 80.out. I wanna finish with a win. I cannot. Okay, so let's do 80. It's my goat counter. It's what? Why? Why is it working now? Why is it working now? What changed, man? Do you like when it's like what? I cannot do like H1 tag. I must be able to do. I must be able to do this. I must be able to do this. No. It doesn't let me do this. But this I can send. Or maybe it's maybe I'm not. No, this one works and HTTP doesn't work. HTML doesn't work. HTML doesn't work. But why? Let's try with one tag. I don't know. just to see. Yeah. So interesting. But if I remove this, no, fuck. I'm getting tired. And whoa, now the connection is reset. Anyways, if somebody has an answer to this shit, he can let me know. But until then, bro, I don't give a fuck. This is a static server. It can serve anything you want. For some reason I cannot make myself bigger. It can serve hello, and it cannot serve HTML, but it can serve text. We can maybe find out some other time why. But yeah, thanks for watching if anybody stayed until this moment, and yeah, see you soon, boy.